trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing roofs, your painted red shakes the room. When I get there.
Our love story began 7 years ago. During this time, so much has happened. College, medical school, beginning new careers, and setting off to big cities. Looking back, it all feels like a whirlwind.
Our real story began in the summer of 2016 when a friend of mine was Snapchatting somebody when we were hanging out. I asked her who she was talking to, and she said Reno. My immediate response was, wait, like the Reno?
It is crazy for me to think about a blind date 7 years ago and how much you mean to me now. Throughout this wildly unpredictable journey, the love, dedication, and commitment that you have showed each and every day hasn't wavered.
Reno and I love to spend time together in the wood shop building furniture, skiing, hiking, fishing, even though I always outfish him, and much more. He is my biggest cheerleader and someone I look up to daily. Reno has the biggest heart and the most dedicated, hardworking spirit of anybody I know.
Lindsey, you are generous, thoughtful, and passionate in all walks of life. This relationship has been built and supported by those around us.
In the last 2,544 days of sharing our life together, we have celebrated 4 graduations between the two of us, overcome many obstacles between medical school and matching for residency.
I've known for quite some time that you are the one. As a matter of fact, you're probably going to kill me when you find out how long I've been hiding this ring from you.
This man truly is my best friend. He keeps me grounded, reminds me not to take life too seriously.
Lindsey, I cannot think of a more special place to ask you to marry me. Here's to my lifelong ski partner, animal-loving, and damn sure best roommate I'll ever have.
To be the future Mrs. Maldonado. As many can agree, it's about damn time.
Surprised?
Yeah, I didn't think that this was real.
Congratulations, you guys.
Guys, they're buds. It's beautiful. Thanks. Now you're stuck with me forever.
I hope so. Congratulations, Reno.
Beautiful. Put that back in the box right now. No, it fits perfect. Oh, yes.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. I'm gonna be blind
Very nice.
forever. Oh, good.
Love it.
Me too.
About time.
Yeah, no shit. About time.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay.
There it is. Yes. Thank you. It is. It's perfect. He did good. Yeah. Feels like a dream. It was perfect. We were hiking. This is our background. I know. Now I can shut up. Thank you.